Your character, you have to make your character struggle to get the thing they want. I sort of like to slip them in as naturally as possible. But I'm sure that there must be some that I can't think of, but most.
As I walk down the hallway, the carpet feels like porcupine spikes. I look down, it's green with dirt stains and paper shreds. I look around the hall. There are paintings of sunsets and photos of distant family members. I reach the door.
You have some juxtapositions between harshness and softness, right? So I loved the prickly rug.
It's really cool because I just can't believe that we got the chance to talk to a real author, and I'm really glad that we did. It was really fun. Well, what I'll probably use is, she said you can get ideas from anywhere, just in your day-to-day life. You don't have to think too hard about what should I write about. You can just get ideas from anywhere, so I thought that was pretty cool, and I'll probably use that. I really like writing. I've been writing for about maybe 2-3 years. Since I was 10 maybe is when I started liking writing. Yeah.
I was standing before the door, slowly creeping forwards. The carpet beneath me, as green as the door, seemed to be swaying like trees in the wind. Well, I've been coming up with a bunch of story ideas for like a very long time. Like, I started like really making story ideas in 3rd or 4th grade, but like even before that, I remember in 2nd grade, I came up with this big long story thingy, but I didn't write it. It was more like something that I had in my head. I've been working on for a long time, and I can just write as I go on. It's really amazing because I never knew that I would actually see like an actual really good author talk to me and give me advice and stuff in my life. There's that thing about like, because in some of my stories I would come up with like the full story before I did it, and most of those stories I didn't actually end up really making, so I'm gonna stick with the idea of like only come up with a little bit of it and then not like have the whole story and then get bored. I think that character development is probably really important, and that if you don't have good characters, then your story isn't gonna seem like really very good. If there's just like character and they're there and they say some stuff but they're not really very important, or they don't go through any changes or anything, it's not very good.
I'm just so happy I got to talk to you today.
Thank
you guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you.